back poop. So today I'm going to be doing a wig review on this hair by UNice. Also going to do a mini little review on this lace tint spray and how to slay your wigs overall in general. If you're a beginner like I am, because y'all seen I've been looking real crazy in my videos, but I'm trying to perfect it, so feel me? We're gonna get into this. And if you're interested in how I got this color, make sure to check the description box. I'm gonna leave it down below. I'm gonna leave all the wig information below as well. And don't forget to hit that like, share, comment, and subscribe button. So I'm gonna let y'all know the things y'all need to slay y'all lace frontals. I heard about this, so I tried it out. And then I know everybody uses lace tint, so I got this as well. And then to down the flyaways, we got this. I don't know if y'all can really see it. So, two other YouTubers I watch introduce me to like stuff that you need to slick it down loose. And I'll use that on top of this because it works really good. And I have a bad habit of putting too much oil on my wigs, but I use this after I blow dried it, and I sprayed it like when I was flat ironing. I like it. It doesn't leave it feeling dry or greasy, and I still got bounce and body. Krisha, please, like, sis, get into it.
So this is the key to getting your wig flat and not having it dry and not having it greasy and weighed down. So you see I've lifted my wig up because I don't want to burn myself when I do this. It's best to do it with a straightening comb, but if you don't have that, then this is your second best choice. So this is imperative. You need your wax stick. It's going to help the flyaways. And I'm going to flat iron it again with the wax up there. So it really just melts into the hair and like really melts it down to my scalp. So if you don't have a wax stick, you can go in with mousse. This is just some mousse I got from the Dollar Tree, where it's really good. And I'm still going to flat iron it again with the mousse on top, just for a better hold. But you can use either or. It's really not that important. Because I got the mousse so I can lay down my baby hairs as well. Because I don't want the wax to make it feel sticky or anything. That's why I'm going in with two different products.
Okay, so you just see me go with my Evans tint. So this is the medium. I'm gonna show y'all a clip of when I first sprayed. It has three colors: a light one, the medium, and a dark one. And like it blends flawlessly. Like, baby, what scalp? Like, I really like it. So I can say I would definitely be using this again. So this part you really gotta be careful with. I know you don't want it real sleek like. I'm gonna do a couple of curls. Bow, bow. Just get a little bounce. I don't look like real boring. You feel me? Like, I see this color. Like, sis, it's amazing. Like, I just wanted like one or two girls. This part flat. Make sure you don't burn yourself, please. I just feel like this is as flat as I'm gonna get it, which I'm cool with. So, sometimes people use like, I have to look at a couple more curls. Some people use a straightening comb, because that's what I use it, right? really be flat. Since I don't have a straightening comb, you see I went in with my flat iron and I actually lifted the wig off my scalp before I, like really let it touch me for obvious reasons. And I went in with this to lay down it even more. So like I said, this is also a wig review. So this hair is by UNice Hair. They sent me this hair and it is 20 inches if I'm not mistaken. But I'm short, so it comes like right here on me. I'm fully standing up, so which ain't bad. The price was pretty decent. I'm gonna insert how much the price was, but don't quote me on that. And if I'm not mistaken, it's 150 density. So I've had this for a few weeks, which is why I'm not really, I don't know if that's on top of my head. So this is the body wave hair, and I have dyed it twice. I've dyed like a reddish burgundy color and then this color, and the body wave is still there, which I'm fairly impressed with. That's something I always look toward to see if the texture is still gonna be in the hair. I normally after one wash the texture is gone, but baby, we're about 7, 8 washes in because I still had the bleach smell in the hair. But like, I love it. It's really soft. It's full. It tastes color really good. Like I haven't had no issues with it. So we got the 3 combs at the front, boom, boom, boom. One at the back, and it's adjustable. And I'm gonna say it's big head friendly, cause I still got hella room. Like it's a little too big for me, honestly. I think it's a 22 circumference, if I'm not mistaken. But sis, come on. Like, this is cute. Like, I could definitely see myself getting this hair again. Like, why wouldn't you? Like, it is a bomb. Like, this is a bomb ass fall color. Like, we get into this.